Well, hey everybody, it's Gc27 Part 2, but this time around we'll go ahead and get to the backyard. On our way over, first we got the thyme, which is doing awesome. Had a pretty big harvest a couple weeks ago, and then a small harvest this last week. But as you can see, it's very healthy, very happy, and it'll continue on growing. Now the basil, I'm actually going to let go to flower this time around. I think it's getting a little bit sick. I'm not exactly sure what's up with it. I haven't ran into this before. With all this little, I'd almost say it's fungal, but it also kind of looks like something a bug would do. I don't know. But I'm going to let that go to flower anyways, and I'm going to be planting a whole bunch more new basil very, very soon. Hopefully by the start of this next week I'll have a few dozen new plants popping up. You can see the pink lemonade tree is holding up great. Hard to even get all in one picture because it's just so wide. We can see these, this is where all the berries are going to form. You can see these buds all over this tree. Going to be a lot of berries. Very, very tasty. And then we have the black beans and the chickpeas. You can see the flowers that are starting to come out, have all these bright purples. These, I think, flower kind of yellow, I want to say. They're like white and yellow for the chickpeas. And then we have this, the tomato garden right here. It's just 3 tomato plants. I'm going to let take over this whole thing. Lots of rich, healthy soil in there for it to eat up and make delicious tomatoes with. And then we have a purple basil, king crimson. It's doing great. Can't even tell it's been going through storms and cool weather and all the stuff that basil supposedly doesn't like. Seems like it's just loving it all. Very happy with that plant. And of course I'm happy with the lettuce. Lettuce is doing awesome. This is all Grand Rapids that you can see. This stuff right here, this is Freckles lettuce, and that's just the coloration of it. Perfectly healthy. Supposed to be very tasty heirloom lettuce. And then of course, little tomato plant getting huge.